So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are asking that in MLH challenge we are unable to understand how we have to post and submit the challenge. So this video is perfectly for you if you want to know how to do the submissions for the global hack week. Okay, if you don't know how to register for this event, I have attached the video link. You can watch it in the description box. It is present, and if you're interested in other events, I've shared the links for that also. Now without any delay, let's come over here. First of all, how to register. It's very simple. You have to simply click on register over here. Now it will ask you a basic detail, like you have to simply sign in all the things which I have already covered. Now here you can see some of the challenges are there. If I just open this, and from here you can see we have some of the challenges live. So when I click on this, check out the challenges. So here we'll be seeing some of the challenges over there. So there are three types of challenge: beginner, no code, and registration. Like here you can see no code, registration, partner, and beginner. So these are the challenges. First of all, we need to just do one thing. We have to do the check-in. So just open it on a new tab, and simply you have to just register it, and just if you get the option to check in, just click on the check-in. Once you have done the first thing over here, the next thing is that you have to fill the address form. So just open it. Now why address form is required? First of all, everyone will be getting the swags. There is not an issue. Okay. So here, what swags we are getting? Letters, stickers, and sometimes they send t-shirts also. So you have to simply click on start, continue. Here you have to enter your first name, then last name. After that, you have to mention your country. Okay, it's global event. So you can mention your country. After that, just go OK. Country is selected. Just enter the number. Then OK. OK. Let me just fix it. OK. Now just OK. And email address. You have to enter the same email address with which you have registered. Then OK. After that, if you want to just add your GitHub username, you can do it. It's completely optional. Now continue, and just prefer your t-shirt size. So they are asking that if you win any t-shirt, you can mention that you want unisex design or whether you want a women design. So just select the design over there. Just select size, that is large, extra large, and medium. Okay, so just add your preferred size and just continue. All things you have successfully done. They are just showing you a sample example. Okay, after that, just select your country and then just select both have a city or region. Like they are asking that whether you are from village area or city area. So you can just mention city only or both. And here you have to enter your address like 123. And then you have to add your locality if there is any locality. Okay, if it is not getting filled in address line 1, then only fill the address line 2. Okay, and if your address is small, you can complete in address line 1 also, because part 2 is completely optional. Now this part is done. You can mention your city. And then pin code. Just add it. And simply submit it.